Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain you view in Domo. So this is the Domo. So we do create a view on any of the existing data sets or data flow. And definition of view is similar as in kind of SQL. Okay. So to create a view, we just need to go through either data flow or data sets. So let's take this data sets. I clicked on this data sets. Now here I have an option open with. So let's click on open with view explorer. So when I click, I can see Domo has given a default name. So I have an option to change the name of view. Just click on this, and this means simply there is a edit button on here. So we need to click on this and we can rename this. Okay. So now why to create view and what are the things we can do in view. So in a normal SQL, view is just a save query. So here in a view, we don't need to create any data flow or anything without creating any kind of ETL, SQL, any kind of data flow. We can create a one transformation that will be also in a backend save query. Okay. And then we don't need to refresh this data set. We don't need to schedule the view automatically. When the backend data set will refresh, this view will be refreshed. So when I click on open with view, I have an option to select a column from parent data set. So these are the list of columns. So I have an option to select what are the columns I want to keep in this view. So like that I can select and deselect. So let's go with all column and remove this state. Okay. Now after selecting the column, I have the option to join this data set or make union with another data set also. Okay, like normal view in SQL. So apart from selecting column, making some join or union, we have an option to make a filter. Okay, like I can make a filter on any of the column. Okay, so let's go with this Apple basketball monopoly. Okay. So I applied filter on the data sets. So we have multiple options like rename, change type, clear filter, sort, move, remove. Okay, so we can perform similar kind of operation in any columns. Like if I click on any column, we will get same options. Okay, so I already applied one filter on product column. So now we have an option to save this. Okay, so let's click on save. So what is happening here? I am creating one view based on dataset DS professional practice dataset. Okay. So the benefit is if I so what I did in view, I selected some column and apply filter. So same thing I could do using SQL transformation and ETL transformation, but those transformation I need to schedule to refresh. Okay, but when I create a view, I don't need to schedule a refresh. Whenever DS professional practice dataset will be updated, this view will be updated. Okay, so the benefit is when we have to make a small transformation, normal join, then in that case instead of creating data sets data flow, either SQL or ETL, we can go with the view. So this is all about view in Domo. Thank you.